Corvettes, caves, and authentic Greek food, welcome to beautiful Bowling Green, a college town situated among some of the most scenic rolling landscape in the U.S. Today I want to take you to one of the most iconic neighborhoods and located near the campus of WKU for a tour, and to one of my favorite local restaurants that you don't want to miss on your next trip. I'm your host, Melissa Albert. Welcome to the American Dream. Let's go. We're here in Bowling Green's historic College Hill District, home to around 40 residences of historic nature, both churches and primary residence. These homes are Italianate, eclectic, Queen Anne, and Greek Revival styles. Let's go take a closer look at the boxwood. I'm joined today by Chad Smith of the Bowling Green Landmark Trust. He's here today to give us some information on the boxwood and the neighborhood in general. Hi, Chad. Welcome.
Thank you.
Can you tell me a little bit more about College Hill District?
College Hill District, actually the colleges in this area began in the 1880s with Potter College for girls. That became later the Western Kentucky Normal School, which eventually became Western Kentucky University, which we still have here now. The houses here go from as far as here in 1834 up through the 1930s mostly. And we have one of the most intact neighborhoods of that time period.
Can you tell me a little bit more about this particular home and what makes it so special?
This house was built in 1834 by John B. Clark and his wife, Sarah Grider Clark. And Miss Grider was actually a granddaughter of one of the founding fathers of Bowling Green, Robert Moore. This home is one of the first family homes built here in Bowling Green. It's a Federal style. The front part of the house is still very original. The things that have had to be maintained have been replicated and put back the way they've always been. We have 14-inch baseboards and huge crown moldings, crystal chandeliers. It's really a beautiful home that's been maintained very well. We've always had people in this neighborhood who have been very involved with the community. The Clarks gave very generously to the arts when they were here. Dr. Skaggs was always holding a fundraiser for a nonprofit while I lived here and was helping him. It's been the neighborhood here is full of people who really care about not only their own homes, but our community.
The boxwood is a great representation of the historic College Hill District. But now I want to take you to my favorite local eatery in the neighborhood, Anna's Greek Restaurant. Let's go take a look. Originally built in 1905 and having spent several decades as an elegant church, the building had fallen into deep disrepair. The Qehaja family purchased this unique landmark in 2016 to be the new home for Anna's Greek Restaurant and Century Palace. And the family took this project on and spent the next 5 years doing the majority of the restoration work themselves. The elegant 12,000 square foot facility has been totally restored to its original grandeur and is now a perfect blend of history brought into modern use and a testament to their multi-generational family legacy. I'm here today with Vilsiana, Qehaja, and Esat, Qehaja. Esat, thank you for joining me today. I want to hear more about your journey in buying this restaurant and how you undertook such an amazing restoration.
This wasn't my son's his dream. I just help or support them to make real.
It certainly sounds like the restaurant's been a labor of love, but as beautiful as the building is, the star of the show is really the food.
Yeah.
Can you tell me, what are the most popular dishes here at Anna's Greek Restaurant?
My mom's cooking is always amazing. I love everything, but if I had to pick a few favorites, it would be the 4-cheese rigatoni with gyro and then the beef filet stroganoff.
Oh, it sounds delicious. Anna's Greek Restaurant is not your only venture in Bowling Green. Can you tell me a little bit more about what Century Palace is?
Yes, so Century Palace is Anna's sister company. Primarily, we focus on weddings, corporate dinners, rehearsal dinners, and holiday parties. Century Palace can accommodate anything from as intimate as 20 guests all the way up to 400 guests.
The American dream is certainly alive for your family, and what you've accomplished here is so impressive with the multi-generational business that you have built.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining me today on our tour of this historic College Hill District and sampling the tastes over at Anna's Greek Restaurant. This is Melissa Albert. Until next time, this is the American Dream.